Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again in AstroGoda. Today we'll diving into the world of AI agents. Have you ever wondered how the AI systems can not only answer your questions but also search in the web or check the weather in real time or even can do the calculations for you? So, well, that's all are the magics of AI agents actually. So in this video, I will show you how they work and how you can build your own AI agent from scratch using the Python and LangChain framework. So we'll start with a simple explanation of what is AI agent, and then I will walk you through with the hands-on coding project where we will build a smart assistant that can search, that can check weather and calculate, all powered by large language model and a few handy tools. By the end of the video, you will understand the core idea behind all the AI agents and you have your own working projects to play with. Let's break it down first. So imagine the large language models, the LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Groq, DeepSeek, all those things, the brains. Okay, so the brains are really great at thinking, reasoning, and understanding the languages. But it just the brain. It can't actually do anything in the real world. It is stuck. It is stuck in the jar. So it can actually do anything. It has no hands to interact with objects. It has no legs to move around or any tools to get things done. So now if you could give the brain some tools like hands to search or legs to like web search or anything or some weather details calculations any all those things, so suddenly your brain can take action. It can look up the information, check the weather, or can do calculations or any other thing. That is what the agent is actually. It is our AI agent, and this whole system, it's powered by the large language model, and it connect through the various tools like search tool, tools like weather tools, or the calculation tools. So when you ask the AI system a question, what it does, it analyze what tool it should use, and based upon that, it use that tools and get the information and give the information back to you. It is that simple. It is all the AI agent. So today we're going to build a simple AI agent that can search in the web for information, check the current weather in of any city, and solve math problems. We will use the LangChain framework, and which make it easy to connect the language model to the tools. So let's jump to the code and let's build it from the scratch. So we are in the VS Code right now, and this is all the code you actually need in this project. Don't get confused. I will go through you each line of the code. So just open the terminal first and make a environment. So it's a very good practice. So make a virtual environment. We have to do just python slash m venv and your environment name, maybe just a agent, and hit enter. What it will do, it will make a environment, a python environment. So it will help you to arrange everything very clearly. It will take some time. Okay, now it is done. You can find a folder called AI agent, or anything you just name your virtual environment. And this is the virtual environment, and everything, every package you installed go inside that, so it doesn't clutter with other projects. You find a this folder named requirements.txt. It all the requirements of the libraries you need to install for to run this project. So just to install all the libraries, you just have to pip install that. So pip install slash r and the name of the file. So requirement.txt. Yep, and hit enter. What it will do, it will go through each of the modules, or you can say each of the libraries, and install it to your virtual environment. Oh, sorry. After that, you have to just activate your virtual environment first. To activate it in the Windows, you have to do the name of your uh, virtual environment and slash script slash activate, and it will activate. And how you can know it is activated, you can see your just virtual environment name is show before this line. Okay, so now your virtual environment is ready. We can pip install that. So just pip install. It will take some time. It will go through all the libraries and install everything. Great. So our libraries are installed over there. So let's go to the code right now. So there is main two folders. One is main.py. Here you can find all agentic flow is there, and one is tools.py. So we defined all the tools over there. So let's start with the tools. Just minimize the terminal. Yep. So in tools.py, you can find some libraries are imported. So in we are using the LangChain, by the way. So in LangChain framework, we have the LangChain.tools. From that we use import the tools. So in the tools, we can return this tool class. So define the tools to the LLM, so LLM can use those tools. And to do the web search, we are using the DuckDuckGo search run, that is also included in LangChain community.tools. So also we are importing that also. So importation is done. Now we are gonna create the tools we are gonna use. So basically the tools are just the functions, different functions. So we are creating the search tool over there. So this is the function name create search tool, and we are just defining the function of that search equal to DuckDuckGo search run. That is the main function. And what we are returning, that is the tool. In the tool class, there are some bunch of things. So in name is the name of the tool you are just creating over there, and what function, or what it should when we are gonna execute this tool, what it should do. So what it should do, it should do search dot run. So in this run method, we push the whatever we have to search, and it will give the result. And the description to there is a description to understand the LLM, and LLM understand from this description when it will just call that tool, and everything about the tool, it's in this description. Exactly the same way we are defining the weather tool. So using define the weather tool, we are gonna use the open weather API. So you just have to go to the open weather API, open weather website, and get a API key over there, and just paste the API key in this .env. I'll just cover that next. So it's a simple just get requesting, and from there we can get the details like temperature, or the how the feels like, humidity, weather, or the wind speed, all those things. And then we are gonna just creating the tool, weather tool, and what it this is a function, that is the get weather function, that is defined over there. And next, this is the calculation tool. So this is the calculate function to calculate something, and this is the tool, the create calculate tool, and the name of the tool is calculator, the description, and which function it will call, that is the calculate this. And this is the get tools to know what are the tools are right now present. So in the get tools, what it return, it will return all the tools to the main file. Okay, now let's jump into the main file. So in this main file, you are seeing very much import of the libraries and all those things. Don't get confused, I will go through each of every line. So after that, you just paste your Groq API key over there, okay, in this XXX, and your open weather API key over there to run that. So we are going to use this Groq. You might heard that platform Groq is very much efficient to just give the LLM services using the API. So go to the Groq website and get the API key from there. You can easily find that, and it is totally free at some limitations, so that's fine. So jump over to the main.py, and it will import the OS and the .env. So this .env is used to load the like global variables, or the virtual variables, that is the API keys or all the secrets. And the pydantic is used to define this base model. So what this base model does, it base model is structure the outputs and all those things. You can structure the inputs also from this base model. So the pydantic is used for that reason, and other stuff like prompts. So it will generate the prompts of what is gonna go to the LLM, and the output parser to get the LLM will generate something output, right? So that will parse through that. And we are gonna use this Groq, chat Groq. You can use other LLMs also, OpenAI or some Gemini also. That's totally fine. You have to import that respective library over there. That's all. From tools, we use import the get tools function, so we can get the what are the tools and everything. And we are loading these environment variables over there using this .env, and it will load these two environment variable in our code, so we can use these secret API keys. Next, we're defining the output structure using the pydantic. So what pydantic gives the base model, and in this base model you can just define how your output should look like and structure everything. So in this answer, it should a string type, and there is a thing, uh, this is the description what it should hold, the tools used, and all those things are there. You can find. There is one example over there. So answer should be like the weather of new work is this, what tools it should use, this weather info, the confidence value, like how much confidence in confident it can say. Next, this is a create agent. So over there we are defining our agent, we are gonna create our agent. So for that, at first we have to get the tools, right? So we are the calling just the get tools function. What this get tool function will return, it will return these tools, right? So right now we have all those tools in these tools variable, and the LLM we are initializing there. So we are going to use this llama 1.38 billion instance. So you can use other llama or any other things like chat gpt, or just what they say, Grok or Gemini, anything. And the API key should be this Grok API key. It is the environment variable. From there it will load from there, right? and the temperature is 0.2, so it can be very specific. Now this parser is initiated, and the prompt. So from prompt we are importing the chat prompt template, right, from there, from this LangChain core prompts. So this is using there, we are using this to define the prompt. So this is the system prompt. The system prompt, you can clearly see how the system will should perform. This is clearly defined over there, and some features, sorry, format instructions, and bunch of other things. And what the agent LLM is this LLM that we are initialize there. The tools are these tools. We already get the tools from this get tools function, and the prompt should be this prompt. So our agent is ready, and then we are returning our agent using this agent executor. And there is the normal main function of the Python. You can easily print these things, and this all the normal things, right? So these all. So let's run this. So make sure you just you paste your Groq API key and open Weather API key first, and then you run. Okay, so I will paste those API key over there, and let's see how it's perform. Okay, that's all. So I paste my API key in this .env, so it will set the environment variable, and let's run our AI agent right now. So to run it, you have to write in this terminal Python and this main.py. Oh, sorry, Python main.py. Great, our AI agent is live. Okay, let's ask something. Weather of, it's a new work. Yay, it's working. Let's see, it's invoking this weather info tool from our tool set, and it search for new work and get the information of temperature this degree Celsius, and its response with this assistant is this current information of the weather is clear sky, temperature is this, humidity is this, and wind speed is this. Okay, let's test other tools also. uh, let's say what is let's say 2 plus 2. Great. So this 2 plus 2 answer is 4, and it gives the answer is 4. Okay, uh, let's say what is RCB. It invoking the search tool. What is gets, yeah, invoking the search tool. So if you know the RCB team, it's the IPL team, very famous. So it gets the result, and it is the answer. RCB team is the Royal Challengers Bangalore. It's the Indian Premier League team. They qualified for this year, including Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar, and all those things. And this is the confidence of 100. That's great. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information about AI and coding stuff. And check out the GitHub repo. I already told you it is the description for this full code. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would like to watch next, or any kind of agentic stuff, anything. And after all, thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.